loves watching food related content but I've never tried the recipes, don't worry, I can completely relate to you. So I thought, why not do a video where I actually test Chahatdi's recipes, those mouth-watering ones, to see if they're a hit or a miss. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Hi guys, so welcome to my kitchen. Probably एक ऐसा corner of my house that is very familiar to you guys by watching all these videos. So talking about हम first चीज क्या बनाने वाले हैं. So it's definitely going to be something refreshing because बाहर इतनी ज़्यादा गर्मी है. We want something refreshing. So we're going to be making watermelon mojito. I have never tried it before, so this is going to be a new thing. And if it works, then definitely this is going to be my forever fave. So basically Chahatdi has told us a very easy like 2-minute recipe that you could do. So the ingredients that you need is obviously a very motu watermelon जो मेरे से उठाया भी नहीं जा रहा, a watermelon, and you can cut it into cubes already as I have done, after which you would need lemon juice. And if you want to garnish, which obviously I want to because सुंदर भी दिखना चाहिए, so I am adding these lemon slices and also mint leaves. You can add anything as part of garnishing. This is the best thing that you can add. After which obviously ice cubes are important for giving that refreshing effect. And you also need some more watermelon pieces for the garnishing purpose. ऊपर से आप डालोगे, it would look pretty nice. So we're going to be making that and फटाफट हम चाहत की वीडियो देखेंगे and we'll make it. Guys, so this is the video that we are referring to and we'll quickly make this. So guys, we're going to be basically adding all the watermelon pieces into the mixie and we're going to be grinding it. So let's quickly do it. And क्योंकि आपके ears को एक soothing effect चाहिए, I don't want to disrupt your volume. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding music in 3, 2, 1. Looks very tempting and refreshing. So let's quickly give it a taste test. It's so good, you guys. Definitely, if you want to have something for summer, कुछ आपको refreshing पीना है, then this is definitely a hit from my side. Also, if you love watermelon, this is going to be your favorite from now. So don't forget to try this recipe. So while I start sipping my drink, I thought of just talking to you guys because बहुत time हो गया. So firstly, before you start asking कि why were you not uploading for the last week, actually the problem is that I started a series on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know. And that was a weekly series. तो मैंने सोचा कि थोड़ा ही टाइम लगेगा, एक रील बनानी है रोज और डालनी है. But it was so tough, you guys. Every day I have to do the transitions. And due to that, YouTube के लिए बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिला. तो मैंने सोचा कि बस अब खत्म करो सीरीज. मैंने एक वीक की रखी थी. And now I'm quickly starting up with YouTube. This is so good. It doesn't taste like something कि आप घर में बनाए. It actually tastes like you're having something outside, and if you'll have this outside, this would be very costly. I am pretty sure about it. So this is something that you can make at home, and this is so refreshing. I'm going to be quickly finishing this up, and then we're going to be starting with the second recipe. Okay, you guys, the next recipe, you guys guess. Do you have ever seen Chahatdi? जब भी उनका नाम आते, there are 2 words, Maggi and cheese. There are so many Maggi recipes on our account, and I आई थॉट क्योंकि मैंने मैगी रेसिपी नहीं बनाई ना, तो फिर इस वीडियो को जस्टिस नहीं होगा. सो वी आर गोइंग टू बी मेकिंग पनीर मखनी मैगी. अगेन आई हैव नेवर ट्राइड इट, इट्स माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस. सो व्हाट ऑल यू नीड? ऑब्वियसली नॉर्मल मैगी जो हर किसी के घर पे होती है, और अगर नहीं भी होगी तो ऑब्वियसली आप ले ही आओगे, ये चीज़ आप स्किप नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट यू वुड नीड बेसिकली फ्रेश क्रीम, चिली फ्लेक्स, आफ्टर दैट टोमेटो प्यूरी, बिकॉज आपको पनीर क्यूब्स भी ऐड करना है और उसके बाद आप वो मखनी वाला मिक्सचर बनाओगे. सो बेसिकली फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मेक द नॉर्मल मैगी, और उसके बाद आपको दूसरी एक वेसल में यू हैव टू मेक द अदर थिंग, जो मखनी वाला उसके ऊपर आप टॉपिंग करोगे. सो यू गाइस क्विकली सी हाउ आई डू इट एंड देन लेट्स सी व्हाट इट कम्स आउट टू बी. मखनी मिक्सचर that is made, and now we have to add the normal Maggi into it. उसके बाद आप बस पनीर क्यूब्स डालना and you are done. Lots and lots of मेहनत, ये आ गई है हमारी मैगी. I am really excited to try this. So let's quickly give it a try. Looks very different than normal Maggi and smells very different. It tastes pretty good. If you love the buttery flavor in Maggi, you can definitely give this a try. It's so good. I will give it a hit, but I think so that I would prefer normal Maggi over this, because I am a person that I don't like a lot of additions to Maggi. So you can definitely give this a try. Hi guys, so it's evening time and मैंने सोचा that why not fulfill our evening cravings. So even me and I think all of you, हमें जो mostly cravings होती है evening में, that is pani puri, puchka, whatever you call it. So we are going to be making it at home, and what is the best thing is that we don't have to go to the pani puri wala in a market. We can do it at home. आपको बस एक गोलगप्पे का पैकेट चाहिए and rest everything is available. तो चलिए जल्दी से हम बनाते हैं. So guys, so the pani puri wali is here and we're going to be making it right now. वैसे ना यूजुअली मुझे बाहर से खाना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज मेरे को खुद बनाना इतना पसंद नहीं है, बट टुडे आई विल मेक इट फॉर श्योर. सो बेसिकली ना आप एक गोलगप्पा लेना, उसको बीच में से पॉप कर देना, एंड देन यू हैव टू टेक द आलू. इफ़ यू डोंट हैव आलू, यू कैन इवन पुट दैट छोले, you can put anything that you like. So I'm just going to put a few of them. I'm so excited, I don't know why. Okay, so after this you have to put curd. This you have to put the chutney. तो मैं यूजुअली ना ज़्यादा तीखा नहीं खाती हूँ. I don't like to have lot of spicy. तो मैं ज़्यादा यही वाली डालूंगी. You can put as per your taste. Chahdi has put only the meaty wala chutney, but I think I'm going to be putting a bit of the other one as well, because it's optional according to her video tutorial. So we're going to be adding that as well. थोड़ी सी डालूंगी, ज़्यादा नहीं डालूंगी, because मुझे मिर्ची बहुत लगती है आजकल. And after this I'm going to be adding some leaves. So I think this is enough. Yes. Okay, so I'm really excited. Let's quickly taste this. First golgappa made by me. You can also add this. So I have this rock salt. इसको शायद हिंदी में बोलते हैं हम काला नमक. So you can add this also. You can add as much as you want again. They have even added the garam masala thing, so you can even put that. Okay, so I think everything is done. Guys, so now I'm going to be tasting the golgappa made by me. I'm really excited to try this one because it's looking so mouth-watering. I love it. I'm gonna be having some more and फिर I'll catch you guys. Guys, so I was so happy with my pani puri skills. I'm very happy कि मैंने इतनी अच्छी बनाई, and I think I'm gonna be making that more often at home. You can also try it. So now it's time for the last recipe, last item, last snack for the video. So we are gonna be making cheese bites, aloo cheese bites. We're going to be making aloo cheese bites, and I'm really excited for this one. So this is a very easy and short recipe that you could try. So we're going to be quickly heading to the kitchen and trying that recipe. So the ingredients that you would require in order to make this recipe is boiled potatoes. Now I have taken about 3 to 4. It depends upon how much quantity you need to make. After that you would need corn flour. You would also need, which is the key item of Chahatdi's Instagram, so I wanted to add this in my video. So we're going to be adding cheese, and yeah, that's it. You just have to wrap it up in suji. So let's see how it turns out. Grated cheese. So here are the boiled potatoes, and now we're going to quickly mash them. Bites right here, so let's give it a quick taste test. This tastes so good, you guys. It tastes similar to, I guess, the McCain bites that we have, the veggies. It's exactly the same taste. You can definitely try this out. Guys, so that's pretty much it about this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Let me know in the comment section below which was your favorite recipe that you would like to try out of these. I will love to read all your comments, and definitely share this video. I'll see you guys super soon. Take care. Goodbye. Okay, you guys, so we're going to be basically adding all the watermelon pieces into the mixer, and we're going to be just grinding it. Something that we have outside. Wait, what is that called?